In this video, I'm going to solve an exam question of June 2023, where we will have to calculate the area of a surface that includes a sector of a circle. We need to calculate the area of this shape. To do it, we need to split it into two separate areas that we know how to calculate. The first one, it's a rectangle. To calculate its area, we need to multiply 80 by 50, which is 4,000 meters squared. And the second shape is a sector of a circle that has a radius of 50 and an angle of 50 degrees. These are the formulas that are included in the booklet that you will get the day of the exam. Here you have the one that shows how to calculate the area of a sector of a circle. The formula is 1/2 times the radius squared times the angle, but you need to be aware that this angle is in radians, not in degrees. 1 radian is the angle that we get when the length of the arc is the radius. If we want to convert degrees into radians, we need to multiply the angle in degrees by pi over 180. I will solve this using two different methods. In this first method, I will use the formula that uses radians. So the first step will be converting 50 degrees into radians. I will have to multiply 50 by pi over 180. This is 5 pi over 18. And this is 0.8727 radians. Remember to avoid rounding too much. Now I can calculate the area that will be 1/2 times the radius, which is 50 squared, times the angle in radians, 0.8727. And this is 1090.875 meters squared. Your answer can be a little different depending on how many decimal numbers you kept for the angle in radians. And the last step is to calculate the total area, where we will have to add the area of the rectangle, which was 4,000, plus the area of the sector. And this is 5,090.875 meters squared. Now I'm going to calculate the area of the sector using another method. If you don't remember how to convert degrees into radians, you can use this method that uses degrees. The area of a circle is pi r squared. The area of the sector represents a fraction of the total area of the circle. To find out this fraction, we need to divide the angle of the sector by 360 degrees, because a full circle is 360 degrees, and times it by the full area of the circle. So the area of the sector is going to be 50 over 360 times pi times 50 squared. And the answer is 1090.83 meters squared, which is the same answer as we got before. It doesn't matter if some decimal numbers are not exactly the same. And as we did before, to calculate the total area, we need to add the area of the rectangle, which was 4,000 plus the area of the sector. And this is 5,090.83 meters squared.